Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to Excel open in computer, updated. If Excel does not open, restart the app and try opening the file from File Open instead of double-clicking. Check file associations in Settings if files still open in the wrong app. For damaged files, use Excel Recover or open a copy in safe mode to avoid add-ins causing crashes. Always keep automatic updates enabled for better compatibility and fewer errors. In this video, I will explain how to Excel open in computer, updated. To open cloud files smoothly, sign into OneDrive or SharePoint from Excel before attempting to open documents. Sync the folders you use most so files appear in File Explorer and open like local files. When collaborating, use autosave to prevent version conflicts and check file permissions if you cannot access a workbook. Adjust connection settings if large files take too long to download. In this video, I will explain how to Excel open in computer, updated. If Excel freezes, try safe mode, then disable recently added add-ins one by one. Run Office Repair via Control Panel to restore missing components without losing files. Confirm the file extension matches the real format by checking file properties if Excel complains about corruption. For persistent errors, copy the content into a new workbook or import via data. Get data to salvage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.